Yeah, we doing this, man. It's Fine Tigger, and on the beat it's Juan Tigger. We ain't playing it like this, I swear to God. For my man Cam, Dropouts, Legal Nation in the building. Yo, we on some cool shit right now. Yeah, hey yo. Back to handling business. Take rap like a vandal and spit it like a can of acrylic. Spray paint, they ain't seen your man in a minute. He's possessed, he's a man on a mission. Y'all standing like amateurs in it. Stay scanning the blueprint, but can't understand how we did it. Everywhere y'all wanna go, I done gone there. I'm in my lawn chair, so fuck these armchair analyst niggas. Always wanna lick off shots, but ain't took around. Criticize my field, but ain't took her down. Shook when they see a legendary rap nigga. And if you ain't knowing about the dropouts, homie, that's a cop-out, and you a tackleberry ass nigga, Wi-Fi thug, Bluetooth fairy ass nigga. Cam hit me up and said, Tay have a beat, so at bar 16, competition can have a seat. Yo, it's over. I don't even know why y'all still trying. We got this, man. On my NC shit right now. Hey.
If I want something, mama tell me not to recline. I would always find grind on the drop of a dime. So for trying to school him, he put the collar on the bind and felt like hot rods on the ride of his prime. Competition said he gotta be signed, cause all of them was straight 8, but they cylinders were not in the line. Since overalls and parts had a prominent shine. After making my first dollar, had a dominant mind. It was middle school when I first thought she gon' have to be intelligent. Come before she gotta be fine. Nowadays I'm keeping God in my rhymes, cause everything I've been through was sin through my losses and wins too, I all planned before I got to that venue and gave them women a target for